your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
What's up guys, Sal here. So October will be a crazy month for smartphone launches. We've got phones like Pixel 3, LG V40, Samsung's 4-camera phone, OnePlus 6T, and of course Huawei's own Mate 20 series to be launched in that month. And today we've got a hands-on leak of the Huawei Mate 20. The video in question is rather short, so it's not exactly the most detailed look. However, it's sufficient to get a good glimpse at the smartphone. As you can see, from the back it looks very similar to the premium Mate 20 Pro with that rectangular camera setup, but there's one differentiation between these two handsets, and that's Fingerprint Scanner. This one has it at the back, while the Mate 20 Pro has an in-display fingerprint scanner. Taking a look at the front design, the Mate 20 makes use of a more traditional flat display versus the curved one of the Pro model. Additionally, unlike the Mate 20 Pro, which has a rather larger notch, the Mate 20 features a small water drop one that is home to the front-facing camera and the proximity sensor. Honestly, the Mate 20 looks better than the premium Mate 20 Pro model, but I still think Huawei should have retained the Mate 10's back strip to give the Mate 20's back some character. Apple released the iPhone XS last weekend with the new A12 Bionic processor based on a 7nm process. A few weeks preceding that, Huawei announced its own 7nm processor, the Kirin 980. And during the product brief in Dubai, Huawei mentioned that it's confident its processor will be better than Apple's A12 Bionic. The main reason Huawei is so sure is the 3-year development of the Kirin 980 and the focus on power and efficiency, intelligence and connectivity. The amount of transistor is 6.9 billion, in line with Apple's latest chip. We'll see if this claim holds true once the Mate 20 phones get official. So that being said, for daily tech videos with funny intro or outro, do consider subscribing. And as always, I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace out.